So this is a quick little video I wanted to put together to demonstrate a new feature of the TRS-80 Model 4 here. I had this on the shelf for almost 10 years after grabbing it off eBay. I played with it a little bit initially and up it went. But I wanted to give it a shake, especially with my BBS interest, and so I put up on the shelf in its place, the Lisa 2, at least for now, and I have added to the Model 4 a Grafyx board, Grafyx, which is a enhancement that has supporting programs which can actually render high resolution 640 by 240 games and graphics drawings and plottings, and it wasn't particularly expensive. I ordered it, installed it, and that's what the accompanying blog post is about. And I've actually really got things rolling now with the PC here. This is my 586 DOS PC that I also have a blog post and videos about on the site. It's running a TRS-80 Model 4 emulator, and the emulator is capable of reading disk images and writing disk images and converting back and forth between those and physical floppies thanks to a 5 1/4 inch floppy drive I added just this past week. This is the third drive I have purchased on eBay to try and find a functional unit to get this going, and this Chinook mechanism actually works. So in conjunction with this networked 586, I'm running MTCP, and it's on the Ethernet LAN. I'm able to easily get images onto the DOS machine, and then onto a floppy, and then carry them over here for the Model 4 and into the disk box. There you go. So just a little demo of some of the things I've been playing with lately, as far as graphical programs that are a little bit unusual. Model 4 is really a text-based machine, and you don't see too many renderings there. So hope you enjoy. Let's load Space Images first. It's pretty simple. And you see the graphics screen initialize itself there. And the little intro screen rendering. I'll bring it in for a closer look. And here's Loadrunner, licensed from Loadrunner software. I'm not so sure this is an official version, but it looks good, and well, it's Loadrunner. Loadrunner. Here we go. It's a little bit on the slow side compared to the other 8-bits, I think. But it's pretty great that you can play Loadrunner on a graphics board equipped Model 4 or Model 3. Maybe even Model 1, I'm not sure. I know the Model 3 is largely compatible, but I haven't yet worked out exactly how that all falls through. Yeah, it definitely lags it a little bit. Yay! And here is Pentagram, a port from the ZX Spectrum. I think we don't have that many options as far as Kempston and Interface 2 interfaces, but we'll play along. Start game. It's a isometric title. This sort's so popular. Let's see. Moving through the forest. And I will come in with the camera for a closer look. No Kempston joystick interface on this Model 4. This is a pretty one. Forest and whatnot. This one seems to play a little faster than Nightlore, as I recall. Ouch. Let's go away from this place. Whoa. I think I'm in a bad situation here. Gotcha. We've got a number of things on here. Here is chess. I'll go ahead and load that up. 0 for low-res block graphics, 1 for high-res 640 by 240. Let's take a look at the block first. Very basic. That's blocky. Alright, let's try the graphics card version. And high-res 640 by 240 graphics. The logo is a little cleaner. And there we go. A proper black and white game of chess. I'm not going to play chess right now. So let's take another look. A look at another game. There's the man chasing his dog. This is sort of a cute one. You're just running around and avoiding a dog catcher. The bone. Without getting caught. I wonder how you utilize the tree. Look at the bone. Fire hydrant. Can you get me? Cute. another ZX Spectrum port. Let's go ahead and start. Okay, I've actually never played this one before. Let's see, another isometric number. I think you need to be fairly quick when it comes to getting up these stairs. It was too slow. I'm not horribly familiar with this one. I don't think I had heard of this before seeing it on the TRS-80. Night Lore. This is a nice one. I think the first isometric game that I saw that I really played was on the Atari ST, and that was Airball, which was by Microdeal Mitchtron. I'll come in for a closer look here. I was recently playing a version of this ported to the Atari 8-bit on my 130XE. It ran at about a similar speed, I think. Let's see. There we go. I love these isometric little rooms. I think I can get over that. Nope. Here is reversing. I'll choose the high-res option. Othello. There's another game I used to play on the Atari ST as a desk accessory. I think that was the first time I encountered that, actually. Here we go. And here we have a disc of Mandelbrot and Fractal generator programs. Definitely something that would appreciate a graphics card. Let's try it. This takes a bit of time. The little Z80 in this machine is only but so powerful. let's see. I am going to go ahead and accept the defaults. And here we go. It starts rendering crude blocks, and then with consecutive passes increases the resolution. So I'll speed this up in the editor. And here I've only got so much time to put together videos like this, so I'm going to cut it short, even though I think this rendering would get a little clearer given another 10-15 minutes. So here we are loading up the original version of one of my favorite games of all time. It's a game I enjoyed on the Atari ST. And in '86 or so, later I found it existed on the Tandy Color computer. And before that, it was released, I think in the 80 or 81 as a TRS-80 Model 1 game. And it's sort of Gauntlet-like, especially the later versions, but it predates Gauntlet. Anyway, Time Bandit. It is not actually using the graphics card that I've been demonstrating here. This uses a 128 by 128 partial character pseudo-graphic rendering. It's pretty crude, but that's about all you could do without a graphics card. And I really wanted to give this one a shot on the original version. It was quite popular for the ST, very colorful. Same idea, multiple worlds, gateways to different worlds. Here I'm about to travel into another world, a maze world, where you find treasure, like that. You can shoot horizontally to stay alive, not vertically. In this version, let's see if we can find the key to get out. Ah, there's the key. I just ran into it. You can hardly see it. Rendered in ASCII. Let's see if we can get down there without dying. There's the out. Boom. And now I'm back to the main world gate area. So I can go back in and go to a different world. Let's try. Whoops. Here we go. And I'm in another world. And I'm running out of time. And running out of power. And I'm dying. Anyway, I've only played this a bit. It was only today that I got the disk image written out. Thanks to the DOS PC I have across the room, to which I've recently added a 360K 5¼ inch floppy drive, I can run a TRS-80 Model 4 emulator and write out disk images to floppy and play them on this physical Model 4. And I only did that, I only got this over about an hour ago. So anyway, I hope you've liked the look. I expect to have a lot of fun with this machine, and kind of regret having had it on the shelf for quite a few years after acquiring it.